I have these sandals that I really like, and they're starting to really come apart here. So I'm gonna glue them back together. And if you're gonna glue these, you might think epoxy, but epoxy is actually not gonna work very well. This stuff here, Black Super Weather Strip and Gasket Adhesive, this is more flexible glue, which is what we want because these are gonna be flexing a lot. I'm just gonna apply some of this to the ribs in here. This stuff is really good for repairing hoses and things on cars too. So we'll lay this down. I'll be careful to tuck it in so it looks nice. And this stuff will do a better job than epoxy or even shoe goo, which is designed for this sort of thing. Look at this. Look how well stuck it is in there. That's exactly what we want. Shoe goo is not going to do this. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up.